Yes, people, it's Ramz TV. I'm back again. I had to re-upload the video. So I do apologize if you see this pop up in your notifications. I'm doing this video back again because I've done it in 420 or 480p, sorry. My apologies. So I am recording in 4K, so you are getting a better view. So let me just tell you what's been going on. Literally, we're on month number 7 of this hair transplant. We went to Asli Tarkan. We had about 5,500 grafts or 400 grafts taken. As we mentioned, there have been problems on the way. I was completely bald on top of my head, so I had no hair at all. For example, before I went, I was growing my hair. And when I was growing it, all I had was the hairline was intact and it was very, very thin, So it was kind of, is what it is at the end of the day. And I've suffered from bumps at the back of my head as well. So the bumps on the back, they're not left no bald patches. There's still hair there, but it's just bumps that are raised up. It's probably from the extraction, the trauma from the hair transplant. Because I did mention I took everything. It was a lot. But yeah, things are going all right, I want you guys to tell me what you guys think or feel where I'm at in a minute. Because we're on month number 7. Month 6, I explained that I wanted to see more growth on the other side of the hair. I think there's been a little progress, but I need you guys to tell me, look at this. So this is where we're at now. As you can see, the hairline's here. It's a bit thin there. The hairline's there. We got the temples, yep. Temples. But as you can see from here, you see where the lack of density, but however, we was completely bald on top of the head. So we have to understand that. And look at this. I want to show you guys something. So yeah, as I mentioned, them bumps, they're raised. And sometimes I can feel that when the hair's growing, I can feel the hair it's growing and it gets pussy. So I do get a little bit pussy from it now and again, but it is what it is. I have to accept that, I had no hair. I took a lot of grafts initially. Now, if I go back for a second one, for my crown and more density, I'm going to have to expect this again, So what do you guys think? It's been a roller coaster ride. A little close up as well. Let me give you a close up. So that's the close up now. I tell you what, I had no hair. This is all new. This is new as well. The crown was a big bald patch right there. They done a PRP treatment, and that kind of helped. And I noticed that I can't just get up in the morning and not do my hair, because the hair just goes straight. It goes left, right, straight like a fuzzy tennis ball. So I have to take care of my hair every day. So what do you guys think? We're on month number 7. We see this side is growing in. This side still thin, but it's growing. Is there progress from month 6 to 7? We give it a little distance away. Yeah, just let me know what you think, guys, yeah? Because any feedback's good. Anything to help with these bumps, they are annoying. Don't hurt to touch it, but they're just there. Just there. I thought they'll go away, but this is what happens when there are loads of ingrown hairs in the donut area. So if I do go back for the second one, I know the dome area is going to take absolute battering. I know that, and I have to accept that. If I want hair on top of there, I'm going to have to hold the L. I hold the L already for having the bumps, but it's a win at the minute because the hairline's coming across. You know, I didn't have no hair, initially here and there. So things are progressing. So let me know, guys. Yeah, I had to re-upload this video because I was told the video quality was pretty poor. Pretty poor. So let me know what you think. I'm sorry for popping up your notifications again. But yeah, let me know what you think.